So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new payment details from Classplus to Google Sheets. Let's say you are using Classplus as a platform to sell your online courses. And you want that whenever you receive a new payment, a new sale happen in Classplus, you want to add the details of that payment in Google Sheets. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, whenever a new payment will be received in Classplus, automatically we are going to add the details of the same payment in our Google Sheet as a new row. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here I have created an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. Now to reach Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after creating the account, here I have created an automation workflow. The name of this workflow is Classplus to Google Sheets. And in this workflow, here in the trigger step, you can see I have selected Classplus as the trigger application and trigger event is new purchase. Now when you will select this trigger event, Pabbly Connect will give you a webhook URL. Now what you have to do, you have to add this webhook URL in your Classplus account. And to add this webhook URL, you have to contact your Classplus account manager or their support team. They will assist you to add this webhook URL into your Classplus account so that you can start getting the details of the new purchase, of the new sale or the new payments which you are receiving on your Classplus account. And using this webhook URL, you have to connect your Classplus account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. Once you have contacted their team and this webhook URL is added in your Classplus account, then after that, whenever you are going to receive a payment in your Classplus account or a new purchase is going to happen, you're going to receive some response over here. So after giving this webhook URL to the Classplus team, you have to just click on this recapture webhook response button. And when you click on it, it will change to waiting for webhook response. And after that, whenever a new sale is going to happen, whenever some user is going to purchase a course on our Classplus account, we are going to receive a new payment. The details of that payment will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So here I have added this webhook URL in my Classplus account. And after that, here you can see in response, I have received the details of a new payment. So here you can say in response, we have the details like we have the name of the user, the name of the customer who made the purchase. We have their mobile number, their email address, we have their user ID. Then after that, we have the platform that from which particular platform this sale has happened. We have the date and time, that at what date and time this sale has happened. We have the purchase price, that at what price the user, the customer purchased the course. Then we have the mobile number of the customer. Then again, we have the email address. We have the category in which we have created the course. We have the price of the course. So this was the course price and this was the purchase price. Like after discount, for example, at this particular price, the course was sold. Then here we have the name of the course, that the customer has bought which particular course, that for which particular course we have received the payment. Then we have the category and we have discount value, or if a coupon code is applied, we will get the coupon code as well. So in this way, after contacting the support team or your account manager in Classplus and adding this webhook URL in our Classplus account, you will get this kind of response inside Pabbly Connect when you will get a new purchase, while a new sale or a new payment is received in your Classplus account. So this is the step 1 of setting up this automation. Now after that, in step 2, we want to add these same details in our Google Sheet. And for that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to just click on this Sign In with Google button. After that, just select your Google Sheets account. Then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which I have created in my Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which I want to add the purchase details, the sales details or the payment details from Classplus is named as Classplus Sales Detail. So in this particular spreadsheet, I want to add the details. So from this dropdown, we are going to select that spreadsheet over here. After selecting your spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. So here in this Google spreadsheet, you can see I have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why here in this dropdown, you can see only one option as sheet 1. And in the same sheet, we want to add the details. So we have selected that. After selecting your sheet, here you can see all the columns of data which we have created in our Google Sheet. You can see all of these columns as fields inside Pabbly Connect. So here you can see all the columns of data which we had in Google Sheet are added as fields over here. And one by one, all the payment details, all the purchase details which we have received from Classplus in the trigger step, one by one, we are going to map all of these details in the next action step. Like here you can see we have the date and time, that at what date and time this particular sale was done, the purchase time. So let's say I want to add this particular response of purchase time from the trigger step response to this Google Sheets action step in this field of date and time. So to map it, what we have to do, just click on this field, and here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses which you have received from Classplus of a new purchase, of a new payment. Out of all of these responses, select the response of purchase time and it will be mapped over here. And this way, at whatever date and time the purchase is going to happen, the sale is going to happen in Classplus, at the same date and time, the details of the payment, details of the purchase will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And at the same time, we are going to add those details, same details in Google Sheet. Now, after mapping date and time, in the next field, it is asking us for the customer ID. So we have received the customer ID from Classplus in the trigger response. So we will map it too. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from Classplus responses, select the response of user ID and it will be mapped. After customer ID, here we have the field of customer name. So we will use the same process of mapping. From the drop down, select and map the username. Then let's map the email address. After that, we have the field of mobile number. So we are going to map it. Then we are going to map the response of course name. Which course the customer has purchased. So we have the response of course name, let's map it. And at last, we are going to map the purchase price, that at what price the customer has purchased this course. So here you can see all the details of a new purchase, of a new payment which we have received from Classplus in the trigger step. We have mapped all of these details into this Google Sheets action step. Now, after mapping all of these details, what we have to do, we will just scroll down and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically these details of a new purchase, of a new payment from Classplus are now added as a new row in Google Sheets. So let's check it. We will go to our Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see just now a new row of data is added in our Google Sheet. And here you can see we have the details of the same purchase, of the same payment which we have received from Classplus. So here you can see we have the same customer ID, same date and time, same customer name, email, mobile number, course name, and purchase price as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So in this way, you can create a simple integration, simple automation between Classplus and Google Sheet and add all the details of a new purchase, of a new payment from Classplus in your Google spreadsheet in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.